You're tuned into Faith Fueled Teaching, and I'm Shelda Ray. I teach second grade. So today I am going to show you a few of the celebrations that I use in my classroom to celebrate student learning and student success. So one thing that I do throughout the year and consistently is to frame learning in a positive way and in a way that students know the reason why they are learning what they're learning. So that's something that I do throughout all my lessons and throughout the different types of material that students are learning. So without further ado, here are the celebrations that I incorporate within my classroom. So the thing that I do that is quick the most is brain kiss. So with this celebration, all I do is tell students, all right, give your brain a kiss. And then they give their brain their kiss. Now this group of students that I currently have, they said that we should give our hearts a kiss too. And so now every time I say give your brain a kiss, they do this. And then they kiss their heart. So that's a little twist to it. That's something that they incorporated. Another thing that I do that I'm sure every teacher uses is a round of applause. And then one thing that I do, if they're celebrating and we are somewhere like in the hallway or in a place where we need to be silent, I have them do like a silent clap, okay, for them to be excited, or a silent clap like this. Another thing that we do is the sizzle, 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 like a burger. It goes like this. Sizzle, 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 not done yet. Sizzle, 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 not done yet. Sizzle, 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 well done. And then they give whoever it is that we're celebrating, or group, we give them a well done. Another thing that we do to celebrate student success is like a little dancing like chant, okay? And I'm going to show you to you right now. I have to stand up for this one. It's like this. You did a good job. You did a good job. You did a good job. And then they strike a pose. Another celebration that we do is like take the person a picture, like you do. Looking good. Like you're doing a frame. Looking good. So that's something that they enjoy as well. So those are most of the celebrations that I use in my classroom. Another celebration that we do is like a little dance. It goes na 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 na. Hey hey hey, good job. It cracks me up because it's like I'm doing it. My students are not here, but I'm just doing it in front of the camera, so it really cracks me up. And now I'm gonna go into some of the callbacks that we use, and also the callbacks that I do. This is something for me to get students' attention. Some people say callbacks, some people say attention getters, but these are just different ways to get students' attention in the classroom as they are working and you want to get their attention, or before you're teaching, or if they're in a hallway or in the cafeteria or things like that. These are some attention getters that I use and I've seen my colleagues use. So stay tuned. What I normally use is class yes. I would say class, the students say yes, and however I say class, the students say yes. So if I say class, class, the students respond yes, yes. If I say oh class, my students respond oh yes. Sometimes I'm silly and go class, 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 and the students say yes, 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 yes. So I can do it any type of way, and they'll respond any type of way. And they know that whenever I say class and they say yes, however way I say it, that's so I can get their attention. They stop what they're doing, and all eyes are on me with lips closed. Another thing that I do is, the typical one. If you can hear me, clap once. If you can hear me, clap twice. If you can hear me, clap 3 times. And another one that I use is the waterfall. I say waterfall, and the students say shh, waterfall, shh, like a waterfall. And I tell them the only way they're saying shh is if I say waterfall. So any other time I shouldn't hear shh, and they crack up. And another thing that I use is hands on top. So I say hands on top, and the students drop what they're doing, or stop what they're doing and drop whatever's in their hand, and they say everybody stop while they're putting their hands on top of their heads. That's especially if they're working on something and I need to tell them something really quickly. They have their hands on top of their head, and they're tracking me as I'm giving them further instructions, or just want to get their attention. Other callbacks that some of my colleagues use is macaroni and cheese. The teacher says macaroni and cheese, and the student says everybody freeze. Also, I heard another one of my colleagues use Hocus Pocus. So the teacher says Hocus Pocus, students say time to focus. So those are some different callbacks that I've heard others of my colleagues use, but I mostly use the one that I've mentioned. So if you have any callbacks or any type of celebrations that you incorporate, some quick celebrations, quick attention getters that you use within your classroom, go ahead and include that in the comment section below. I would love to hear the different types of ways that you get students' attention and that you celebrate students. So thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.